Hey guys, this is Professor Wood. Welcome to English 1301 online. This is week 4 of our course, and I'm excited to share with you the instructions for the week ahead. This week we're going to be crafting an annotated bibliography. This is a larger bibliography to add to our research project, and it prepares us for our final presentation. So let's take a look at the instructions, and I'll share with you what's required for the week ahead. Now, an annotated bibliography, as you know, is a larger bibliography. It includes paragraph annotations after each source, so that's how it differs from a typical bibliography. So I want to show you a couple of examples and illustrate how you're going to craft this document. Now you're going to be using your same topic from your previous proposal paper. A lot of great topics out there, AI, mental health and social media. So let's take our current topics and we're going to expand out our research to develop a longer, more robust bibliography. Now, if you take a look at the Cornell University library page, there is a longer description of how to complete a annotated bibliography. Now, essentially, you will have your same citation from your MLA works cited page, and you will include a paragraph afterwards. Now, these paragraphs essentially address the content in the source and what might be relevant for your research. So let's take a look at a template that will help you create the annotated bibliography. Now here's a template right here, and essentially you will have the author's last name, first name, title of the article, the subtitle of the article, the journal title, the year, the publisher's name, and the date you access the material. That will be your source list, that it will be alphabetized. And underneath the sources, you're going to include that paragraph description. It just describes the source and how it's going to help you with your research project. So you're going to have 10 sources on this annotated bibliography, and you're going to have those alphabetized in MLA format. So this template can kind of help guide you onto how to complete this project. Also included for you in the instructions for week 4 are some tutorials to help prepare you for the bibliography. This includes our readings this week from the Norton Field Guide to Writing, chapters 15 and 46 to 53. Part 10 of the Grammar Handbook will also be helpful to you as we address punctuation issues and other sentence level errors. Our web links and content to review this week include the Purdue Library Research page, our Dallas College Library Research page, and our student guide on academic integrity. Please also take a look at the additional tutorials on our course page. Our course objectives this week, we're going to be developing critical thinking skills, practicing teamwork in the discussion. We'll be practicing personal and social responsibility as we evaluate the credibility of sources. We want the most credible sources from authoritative books and articles and authors. So we will take a deep dive and look at the authors' backgrounds, their expertise, to know what source is credible. Our module level objectives, we're going to practice essay writing, organization, revision, research. We're going to provide some writing practice for successful argumentation, and we're going to be introduced to the challenges of writing and research processes. So please take a look at all of our tutorials as you peruse the instructions for the week ahead. I'm excited to see your annotated bibliographies. As you take a look at the assignment page, please do note that you will be targeting 10 sources on the annotated bibliography, and your annotations, those little paragraphs at the end, those are going to be 125 words long. So they're a fairly robust paragraph describing your source. So take note of that. Please look at the rubric before submitting your piece. And I wish you all the best of luck this week, guys. I look forward to seeing what you come up with, and I'll check back in with you throughout the week. Best of luck.